Hey Bell fans, this is Tim Ellis, and won't you join me as we unbox your Bell. So, I am a software design engineer here at Bell Equipment, and I've worked here for the last 18 years. There are three overriding principles that we use when we design our software. The first thing is, we want to keep your machine running. Second of all, we want to keep it as productive as possible. And third of all, we want to make it as safe as possible. Now, there's a whole bunch of software that's already built into your Bell when you buy it. And we've used those three principles to design it and make sure that your machine operates on the next level. But there are a whole bunch of features that are not enabled by default, that are specific to different operations. And Unboxing Your Bell is going to take you through the complete list of all of those features that we've built in that are not on by default, that you can use to take your operation to the next level. It is a very long list. So we've got things like neutral bin up with crawl forward. Man, we've even got things like autonomous control. Your machine comes built in with software that can take it into the autonomous realm. We've got pedestrian detection software as well. In fact, if I have to have a look at the list, guys, it's really long. So, won't you join us over the next few weeks as we go through that list of software features that you can enable on your machine to take it to the next level. We're going to show you exactly how the feature works, and most importantly, we're going to show you how to enable it on your machine, and if you have to, how to configure it. And won't you like, subscribe, and join us as we unbox your Bell.